Welcome to my garden treasures. These little hens are great sticky beaks and always watch when I'm doing something in the garden. Over the past couple of years, my veggie garden has become quite overgrown. Besides veggies, flowers have helped themselves into the garden. This bed has been totally overtaken by giant hollyhock flowers. They grew about 4 to 5 metres tall. Recently I dug them out and gave them to others to enjoy in their gardens. Now I have room to plant my veggies. Kiss Me Quick is another pretty plant that I find spreading in the garden. It brings lots of butterflies. Feverfew is so pretty, but also spreads. This is the climbing rose I have planted over the chicken shed for this year. I'm looking forward to it flowering. It is thornless. These calendula, nasturtium and parsley also seeded themselves in the pathway. Nettles make a great herbal tea and tincture that is good for your health. My rhubarb plant is gigantic with really tall flowers. Purple broccoli grows happily in a grow bag. This crop also has lovely yellow flowers. Red sorrel is well established, and I often add leaves to my veggie dishes. Black radish, nasturtium and parsley leaves are also healthy to eat, along with the green and red stemmed rainbow chard. The red rose hips of this Chaucer rose will be a great addition to a herbal pot of tea. Here is some celery growing happily in a grow bag, sitting in a supply of water. Thanks for joining us on our tour of the garden. We all hope to see you again.